Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Both can be used to substitute for fresh egg whites in recipes. Meringue powder is gluten-free, safe from salmonella, and some brands are certified kosher. Meringue powder has a long shelf life, up to 2 years, as long as it's kept dry and not contaminated by dipping a wet or used spoon into it.
Take our lead.
Best meringue powder. Best icing powder. Chefmaster Deluxe meringue powder for baking and decorating. More than just meringue. Best name brand option. Wilton meringue powder egg white substitute. A superior powder. Best just add water option. Judy's meringue powder mix. Make more meringue. Best basic mix. Celebakes by CK Products meringue powder.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Substitute meringue powder or eggs with dried, dehydrated egg whites. Instead of meringue powder, use dried egg whites. Thanks to Janice Wong for sharing the link to Lila Loa's recipe. Thanks as well to Pamela, who shared that they're called Actowhite in South Africa.
Take our lead.
Royal icing carries a very slight risk of salmonella infection from the raw egg whites used to make it. You'll need to reconstitute the powder before making the icing, as in Abby Dodge's recipe for royal icing. Fresh pasteurized egg whites are kept in the dairy case near the other eggs and egg products.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Meringue is made using egg whites and sugar, while corn flour is also used while making pavlova. This search takes into account your taste preferences. Meringue powder is made mostly of dried egg whites and can be mixed with water to create a meringue.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.